If you're considering buying EngageBay for your social media management and analytics, there are a few key things you need to know before making the jump. Stay tuned because we'll dive into these points and compare it with other popular tools on the market to help you decide if it's the right fit for you. Let's start with the basics. EngageBay offers an all-in-one platform that combines social media management, email marketing, and CRM, making it an attractive option for small to medium-sized businesses. But is it the best solution out there? Let's go through what sets EngageBay apart and where it might fall short compared to its competitors. The first thing you should know is that EngageBay offers a solid social media management tool, allowing you to schedule posts, monitor activity, and engage with your audience across multiple platforms. However, when compared to dedicated tools like Hootsuite or Buffer, its functionality feels a bit limited, especially for large-scale social media teams or agencies. Next thing, analytics. EngageBay provides decent insights into social media performance, but its reporting features aren't as comprehensive as those offered by tools like Sprout Social or HubSpot. The data can be a bit surface level if you're looking for deep analytics and actionable insights. The third thing, EngageBay is well known for its ease of use. The interface is clean, simple, and intuitive, making it a good choice for beginners or small businesses. That said, if you're an experienced user or have more complex needs, the simplicity might feel like a limitation at times. The fourth thing is the CRM integration. EngageBay's CRM is built into the platform, which is a big plus if you're looking to manage leads and customer interactions alongside your social media activity. But when compared to other CRM-heavy tools like Salesforce, EngageBay might not have the same level of customization or advanced features. The fifth thing, customer support. EngageBay provides solid customer service with live chat and email support, but some users report that response times can be slow. For businesses that rely on quick problem resolution, this could be a concern, especially when compared to the faster support options offered by other platforms like Zoho or HubSpot. Next, let's talk about the price. EngageBay is quite affordable, especially when compared to more expensive competitors like HubSpot and Salesforce. Their pricing is transparent, and they offer a free plan, which is great for startups or small businesses that need basic features without committing financially. The seventh thing, automation. EngageBay includes basic automation features like email triggers and workflows, which can help streamline your social media and marketing efforts. But again, if you're looking for advanced automation like what's offered by tools like ActiveCampaign, you might feel a little restricted. The eighth thing is scalability. While EngageBay works well for small businesses, it might not be the best option if you plan to scale quickly. Larger enterprises or businesses with more complex workflows might find the platform lacking in advanced features. The ninth thing to consider is mobile support. EngageBay's mobile app is functional but lacks the robust features of desktop versions, which can be a drawback if you're constantly on the go. Competitors like Hootsuite and Buffer have much more feature-rich mobile apps. The 10th thing, integrations. EngageBay integrates with popular tools like Gmail, Google Analytics, and WordPress, but it doesn't offer as many integrations as some of the bigger platforms. If your business relies on niche tools or needs a vast range of integrations, you might find this limiting. The 11th thing is their email marketing tool. EngageBay provides a decent email marketing system with templates, drip campaigns, and segmentation, but it doesn't quite match the advanced capabilities of platforms like MailChimp or ConvertKit, especially if you're running large email campaigns. And the 12th thing to know is the overall user experience. EngageBay does a good job of providing a seamless, user-friendly experience for people looking to manage their social media and customer relationships. However, as with any tool, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution, and businesses with more complex needs may want to explore other options. In conclusion, EngageBay is a solid option for small businesses or those on a budget looking for an all-in-one tool for social media management and CRM. But if you're looking for something with more advanced features and scalability, there are other tools out there that might be a better fit. You can check out our recommended solution below, which offers a free trial, so you can test it out for yourself.